Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos headquarters here, and I've been kind of thinking about something. And well, let me just show you what I've been thinking about. So, guys, I'd like to introduce a new idea on a group build I've been thinking about for a while because I have like six versions of this Ford van kit they do, and I'd like to do a Ford van uh, group build. So you could get. Let me just show you. There's some of the variations you could get. You get the 70s cruising van, you get the super surfer van, or you get the Phantom or the Coca-Cola van. The guidelines are very simple for this group build. All it has to be is a Ford van, and you can build it stock, custom, or however crazy you want to build. I mean, I'm thinking, just what my idea would be is just keep it kind of 70s ish, whatever 70s are ish in your ideas. And you could do everything from a cargo van to one of those like basically like living rooms on wheels, the old conversion van ideas. So I just like to throw it out as a 2025 first time for a van group build for any kind of van, preferably in 25th scale. So you have a choice of a Chevy, Ford, Dodge, a Volkswagen, Toyota, whatever you can find van wise. Um, and it would start from January 31st, Friday, and run until, I don't know, August 31st, right there at the end of, kind of end of the summer, so like 7 months. And, I thought, that what a cool idea to just do a van group build and see what y'all build for your van group for your versions of a cruising van or a cargo van or even a work van, whatever you want to do. So this is my idea for the first group build. I know in the past I did the air cooled group build and other ones, but you know why not a van group build where you can do whatever you want, no holds bars, and all I ask is it's a new kit or unstarted, unpainted, and unbuilt. So, you know, but it is a van group build from DMGV. And if you'd like to enter into this, all I ask is you make a video showing your kit, what you're going to use, and it's optional if you want to. If you're going to go into use all your show all materials and paints and everything you're going to do, then that's another one too. If you want to do that too, so I say good luck to whoever wants to enter this, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.